Croeso mawr i chi gyd i'r Betws, i'r Parc Betws a'r natur newydd. Great completion of this wonderful project and the start of a new chapter for this lovely community space. Fe nhw fi Dave Stacey a fi yw caderiad y cyngor flwyddyn yma. If you were standing in this spot 100 years ago, you probably need a peg for your nose because we're standing on what was the site of the Ammanford rubbish tip at Treftadaeth. In the 1930s, a group of local volunteers took the lead in transforming that space into the formal park that we all know today. So in the 2020s, up stepped a group of volunteers, not just to maintain, but to develop and move unity in disguise. At the same time we were looking at the crumbling tarmac, there was a growing awareness of the need to make sure that our parks and our open spaces are here to benefit nature. You'll have no doubt seen the TV programmes with amazing naturalists like Iolo Williams and David Attenborough warning about the loss of species and biodiversity across the country and around the world. In this park alone, we've lost over 20 trees due to ash dieback, and we're always on the lookout for invasive, non-native species. And as the saying goes, think global, act local. The nature garden that you see today is one small step in thinking about what contribution parks and open spaces like this can make to the local area. And when enough people make a little change, that can add up to a huge difference. The greening and the rewilding of this area will provide homes, habitats and shelter for a whole range of plants, insects, birds, bats and all sorts of local and native wildlife. There are over 150 native trees, plants and shrubs, and the meadow will provide a valuable alternative to the more formal grass elsewhere in the park. New pathways provide more accessible access, and we hope you'll all enjoy getting your steps in as you walk through the sensory gardens and pause to watch the seasons change. This area isn't just for the wildlife. We all know the benefits of being outside and in nature and in the green environment, but we hope that everyone in Betws and the surrounding area are able to come in, enjoy, reflect and recharge their own well-being batteries too. Group who've contributed immensely to the scheme and the hours they put in here in all weathers have played a huge part in turning this vision into a reality. And on behalf of the council and the whole community, I'd like to thank you all, and especially to Ian and to Michael and Ted, who've gone above and beyond to bring this to life. I'd like to thank our councillors, our clerk, and in particular those who work on the Recreation Grounds Committee who've overseen the project. Lynwyn, Paul, Karen, Jose Betts and Ted and Mike Diolch yn fawr iawn. Of those names, I need to say a massive thank you to Ted Williams, our cajoler-in-chief, whose countless hours of hard work you can see in the results behind me. Ted's enthusiasm for this project never fails to astound, and the energy and time he has put into this park and this project are phenomenal. Diolch yn fawr iawn I ti, Ted. I hope you get a real sense of pride and satisfaction from this work. Finally, none of this would have been possible without funding from the Welsh Government and the National Loteri Heritage Fund. We thank them and to everyone who plays the lottery and so contributes to the funding of the project.
Diolch yn fawr iawn am y gwahoddiad I fod yma heddiw, ac yn wir mae'n ddiystyr I ni I fod un sydd wedi byw a gweithio trwy nos yn yr ardal. First of all, may I congratulate everyone associated with this project, Betws community and county councillor, who initially thought of the need of the old tennis courts, which has been transformed into what is now this beautiful area. Thank you to the incredible team of volunteers, contractors and professional bodies, Ffrindiau Betws, CCTA and others, who brought the project to fruition. Our immense thanks to you all. Diolch o galon i'r holl gwirfoddolwyr a fi wrthi pob amser ac yn wir pob tywydd i wneud y parc fel y mae nawr. Werth ei weld a'i mwynhau. This nature garden project has been brought to fruition by many members of our community together, as well as many wonderful volunteers working hard to enable us all to enjoy the immense pleasure nature gives us. And I think during COVID we have all learned what is on our doorstep is invaluable to help us all enjoy the beauty of nature, no matter what age or ability, and appreciate the diversity, colour and beauty that can give us, everyone who visits this park, a sense of well-being. As such, it gives me great pleasure to declare this project, Ffrindiau Betws, open. Mae'n bleser mawr gyda ni i agor yn ffurfio. Croeso mawr i Ffrindiau Betws.